For this, I'll show you that we can get the order through the online store and then receive it in our system. So this is just a basic online store. Here I have my fan. So say for example a customer goes to the website and wants to order a couple of these products. They add it to the cart. So they could go ahead and proceed through checkout, and these pages in the checkout could be customized to look different depending on the needs. But if the customer then, instead of going through the entire checkout, just simply wants to call in and finish the order on the phone, we can do that as well. So if we go back to the system, the admin side, I can go to the sales, quotations, and I can see that there is this new pending shopping cart in here as a quotation. It's for 2 fans and it's a public user, so we don't have information. The user didn't register yet. If the user would have already registered, we would have their information here. But say in a scenario where a client calls and then wants to just place an order on the phone, I could take over from here. So say they want, instead of 2, they want 3 fans. So I'll go ahead and update that. So I set it up as 3 right now. And if I'm a customer, I'll go ahead and update the cart here, and I can see that in my cart it's 3 as well. So basically the administrative users, so customer service of the company, they could modify items in the shopping cart for a client, and then the shopping cart itself gets updated. But going back to the administrative side, I will need to go ahead and fix the user for this. And then the delivery address for this client is John Doe. So I can open the client address, 880 Lee Street. And then the shipping address on this client is 860 Lee Street. So this could be set up on the system to automatically pull that information. We have 3 fans in here. I will go ahead and consider this to be set. I can just add the UPS shipping to it. So I added UPS in here, and I will click confirm sale. So now this order has been processed.